During this video, we are going to be configuring our automation settings, and that involves us setting up a Facebook app inside of Facebook. So what we're going to do is we are going to head over here to developers.facebook.com. And when you land on this screen here, what you want to do is you're going to go up here to My Apps. You're going to mouse over that, and when the pop-up menu appears, you want to go down to Add a New App, and we're going to click on that. And that's going to give us this pop-up window here where we have to choose which platform we're going to be using. So we're going to click on Website, since we're going to integrate this with our website. And then we have to give this a name. So I'm just going to call this WPScope plugin app. I'm going to click on Create a new Facebook app ID. Once I do that, I need to choose a category for my app. So I'm just going to choose Business. Then I'm going to click on Create App ID. And once we have that created, at the top right hand corner, I'm going to click on Skip the Quick Start, and that's going to take us directly to our dashboard for our application. Now from the dashboard, we want to click on Settings on the left hand side here, and then we have App Domains. Now here we want to enter the domain name of the website that we are going to be using. So for example, mine is digitaltrafficminds.com, and you want to make sure that you do not include the HTTP at the beginning. Okay, so make sure you delete that and have just your domain name. And you also want to make sure that you include with the www and without it. Okay, so you should have two just like that there. Next, you want to enter your contact email, which is used for communication about your app. And then below that, we are going to click on Add Platform. We are going to click on Website, and from here we need to enter our site URL. So I'm going to paste mine just like that. I'm going to include the HTTP this time, and then I'm going to click on Save Changes. And now we want to click on Status and Review, and from here we want to make sure that we publish our application so that it's available to the general public. So we're going to click on No here, and that's going to switch that on to Yes. It's going to ask us if we are sure that we want to make our app public. I'm going to click on Confirm. And now that our application is public, I'm going to go back to Settings here. And now we have our app ID and our app secret that we need to copy and paste inside of our plugin. So I'm going to highlight this here. I'm going to copy that. We're going to go back to our plugin. I'm going to paste that inside of the Facebook app ID. Now for the Facebook app secret, we're going to go back here. We are going to show this. We're going to copy that one. We're going to go back here and paste it. And now we need our Facebook user ID. Now to find out what your Facebook user ID is, I like to use a little website called findmyfbid.com. And basically what this is all you have to do is paste in your Facebook URL to your profile. That's all you have to do. So whatever that is, just visit your Facebook profile, and whatever you see in the address bar, just copy that, paste that here, and then click on Find Numeric ID. And when you do that, it's going to come back and it's going to give you your Facebook personal ID for your profile, just like it's done for me here. And all I did was copy and paste my Facebook profile page into that address bar, and then I clicked on the button. So now you want to copy that, you want to head back to the plugin, and you want to paste that. And then down at the bottom, you want to click on Finish. Now, once we've done that, you're going to see the status here is that the application needs authorization. So we're going to click on the Authorize button here. And that's going to take us back to Facebook. And now the app that we just created is asking for permission to access our profile. We're going to click on OK. Then the app needs permission to post on our profile. So we're going to click on OK again, and then OK one more time. That's going to redirect us back to the plugin. We can see that the application was authorized, and now we have a few more settings here that we can configure. Would we like to enable the auto post? This means that the plugin will automatically post to your Facebook, so I'm going to check mark that to yes, and then we can select which pages we would like to auto post to. So you're going to see here that I have a bunch of different random fan pages, including my profile page. So I can select which ones that I would like to plug in to auto post to. Okay, so I'm going to select those three there. Down below, we can also enable to auto post to Twitter, which we've already set up our Twitter settings in a previous video. We can enable this box here, and that will auto post to Twitter as well. So once you have all of this configured the way that you like, go ahead and click on Finish, And now your automation settings are saved and configured, and the plugin will begin auto posting to these accounts every time that a post is made on your blog.